Okwebaza bannamawulire baganda baffe mmwe abatuyamba okwongerayo eddoboozi lyaffe okutuuka ku bannaffe abatasobola kubeera naffe lwaleero. Njagala okutandika nga nkulisaayo baganda baffe mwenna mu kulonda kw'abavubuka okwakaggwa. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala kulaga maanyi. Ekibiina kyaffe ekya National Unity Platform zaabadde tezinawera na wiiki 2 nga tukirangiridde, naye buli we twatadde candidate ebitundu ebisinga twawangudde. Twabaliridde nga bakandidate be twataddewo mu bitundu by'eggwanga ebitono bye twasobodde okutuukamu mu kabanga akakatono aka wiiki 2 nga twawangudde n'ebitundu 97 ku 100. Ekyo nno kitegeeza abaganda bange as part of evidence, and I want to inform you that we are going to use that as part of evidence to take Mr. Museveni to the International Criminal Court. Our lawyers here in Uganda, here in Africa and internationally are busy building a case, and we shall be informing you. But again, I must tell you that we shall also take him to the domestic courts, because the crime that he and his thugs committed are crimes internationally, and yes, they are crimes locally. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my absolute pleasure to commission our fundraising. I thank Comrade Aisha Kabanda and her team for the work, for the job that they've been doing and continue to do. And it's on that note that I want to ask all of you, ladies and gentlemen, here in Uganda and abroad, to be part of this. Banange mukiberemu, mutubereremu, tuliyala. We don't have the money that we need, but at least we have the resolve and we have the zeal. For a long time we did not necessarily need so much money, but now that the campaigns are almost officially beginning, we shall need money, we shall need fuel, we shall need posters, we shall need food, and we do not work because all our businesses have been blocked by the regime. We are going to use all legal and moral means of fundraising, from selling our paraphernalia to sweet talking you, ladies and gentlemen, to ensure that you own this, because this is not about us alone, it's not about the National Unity Platform alone, it's about Uganda, it's about the generations to come. It is a people's struggle. While our oppressors are using our own money to ensure that we don't reach out to you, to ensure that we are grounded, we want to use the love and support that we have from you, ladies and gentlemen. So please be part of this. You can start you can start with what you have. Yes, we are calling our campaign Mudaku Muda, Oba Chidaku Chida, Oba Waya Kuwaya, Oba Mutwaro Kumutwaro. But I know that we have many patriotic Ugandans, many of them that cannot even come out in the public, but they love the country, they support the struggle, and they want to be with us. Kindly reach out to Comrade Aisha Kabanda or to any of the leaders from the People Power Movement and the National Unity Platform to see that you help. We know that many of you can offer much more than 10,000. Please do what you can do and do all you can do. This was addressed, but I want to address it even. Uniform symbol, and many of our comrades were facing challenges. And yes, even the dictatorship was intending to use that weakness, fronting candidates that are sponsored by the regime and then presenting them as people power candidates, but also failing to notice who is one of us and who is not. And that is why we broke that symbol. We salute all the members that joined from inception, the members that joined much later, and the members that are joining now. And we even salute in advance the members that will join us moving forward. My message to you, comrades, is that according to the laws of Uganda, you can only belong to one political party. So because you can only belong to one political party, we would not encourage the members that have one leg in NUP and another leg elsewhere. I've said it before and I will say it again, that you are either NUP or you are not. Having said that, we respect and continue to work together with all other political formations seeking for change in Uganda. We have a clear understanding with comrades that we are working with. For example, comrades from JEMA led by Comrade Asumani Basalirwa, we intend to have an understanding with our brothers and sisters from the FDC. We intend to have an understanding with our brothers and sisters from the ANT. And yes, we intend to have an understanding with our brothers and sisters from the Democratic Party, those that are still there. What should be clear is that you should be confident and clear where you stand. It's okay not to belong to NUP. We can work together with love, trust, and respect from where you are. However, if you join the National Unity Platform, kindly be with the National Unity Platform. You cannot belong to two political formations, and that will help to ease the confusion that has been ongoing, ladies and gentlemen. Last but not least, I want to encourage our brothers and sisters that we have been working with all along, not to feel sidelined, not to feel intimidated by our brothers and sisters that join us. We are together, we are the same. But again, we've said it before and we say it again, that we shall see and judge everybody by their actions. It is not just enough to say, I am people power. It is not enough to say, I'm NUP. We judge people not by their words, not by what they wear, but by their actions. Now, while I'm welcoming the new Election Management Committee, I have just a brief message for you, ladies and gentlemen. Do not discriminate. Do not discriminate candidates according to their age, according to their financial status, or according to their social stand. Every Ugandan is equal. Every Ugandan is entitled. We started by saying that people power is our power. It is not up to the politicians to decide for the people. It is for the people to decide for the people. We have no power if we don't have the people by our side. So do not discriminate. Do not sideline anyone. 2, do not allow fake leaders. Take time to look out who is real and who is not. If you are working with the Election Management Committee of the National Unity Platform, look out for candidates that are National Unity Platform, both outside and inside. And finally, please, corruption is one of the vices that we are fighting. So do not take bribes. I repeat, do not take bribes from candidates. And to you candidates, do not give bribes to anybody. We are against corruption in the struggle as we will be against corruption when we take power. And yes, we shall deal with corrupt leaders in the struggle the same way we shall deal with corrupt leaders when we take power. I thank you for God and my country.